Good morning students. In the previous class we were discussing the lesson number 8, that is houses, and we have already discussed about why we need a house and what is house, the types of house. So first of all, what is house? A house is a space in which we live and feel safe. That is called a house. Okay, and why do we need a house? We need house to protect ourselves from the animals, from the leaves, from the wind, rain. Is it hot? So we should need a house to protect ourselves from all of these things. Now, how many types of houses are there? Yesterday I told you there are two types of houses. One is the pakka houses, second one is kacha houses. Is it? So what is pakka houses? First one. Houses in cities and towns are made of bricks, stones, cement and steel are called as pakka houses. Where you can see these pakka houses in the cities. You can see these houses in cities. And next one is what is kacha houses? Most of the houses in villages. Most of the houses in villages are made of mud, straw and leaves of the plants. And those houses are called as kacha houses. Okay, where you can see the kacha houses in villages and where you can find the pakka houses in cities and towns. So this is the difference in between kacha houses and pakka houses. Keep it in your mind. After that, today we are going to discuss about rooms in my house. Rooms in my house. In the sense, you can see that in your home you are having so many rooms. For example, living room, drawing room, kitchen room, study room, dining room, bedroom, bathroom. Yes, all of these rooms are having in our home. And we do particular activities in the particular rooms. For example, we study in the study room, we drawing in the drawing room, we sit together in the living room. Yes. Next we sleep in the bedroom, we prepare the food in the kitchen room, we take bath in the bathroom. Is it? We do those particular works in the particular rooms. So let's study about those. First one is that rooms in my houses. So, what is the first one? My house has many rooms. Is it? Yes, my house has many rooms. Has many rooms. You have many rooms in your home? ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಒಂದ ರೂಮ್ ಅಂತೂ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? So all of us are having many rooms in our home. A room contains a roof, a door, a floor and windows. ಒಂದು ರೂಮಿಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತ? ಒಂದು ರೂಫ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ರೂಫ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೂಫ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡೋರ್, ಬಾಕ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ರೂಮಿಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಫ್ಲೋರ್, ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಪರ್ಶಿಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ವಿಂಡೋಸು ಇರ್ತಾವ ಒಂದು ರೂಮ್ ಅಂತಂದಮೇಲೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಅ ರೂಮ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ door, floor and next windows and what else? Yes, it is roof. Okay, and roof. A room contains door, floor and window and roof. Okay. So next one is first one, rooms in my home. We are having many rooms in our home and each room contains a particular door, windows, a roof and floor. Is it? So after that, first room we are going to study about the first room, that is called as drawing room. What is that? Drawing room. See, which kind of room is this? We sit and talk to our guests in the drawing room. What we do in the drawing room? We sit and talk to the guests, to our guests. ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಗೆಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ? ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಕೋ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕುಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So that particular room is called as a drawing room. What we do here? We sit and talk. We sit and talk to our guests. यार जति to our guests. Okay. In drawing room, what we do? We sit and talk to our guests. Okay. So this is for drawing room. Now the second room is dining room. What is that? Dining room. So which kind of room is this? What we do here in dining room? We eat breakfast, lunch and dinner in the dining room. Yes. ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಲಂಚ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಊಟ ಡಿನ್ನರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. This is for dining room. What we do here? We eat breakfast. Lunch and dinner. Is there anyone who eat their breakfast, lunch and dinner in the bathroom? No one is there. Then where we eat our breakfast, lunch and dinner? In the dining room. This is for dining room. Okay, so this is the second room. Next one is about bedroom. So let me revise it. First one, rooms in my house. We are having many rooms in our home, and each room contains a floor, a roof, many windows and a door. Yes, and there are many kinds of rooms in our home. That is, first one is drawing room. What we do in drawing room? We sit and talk to the guests in drawing room. Okay, and the next one is dining room. What we do in the dining room? Yes, what we do in the dining room? We eat breakfast, lunch and dinner in the dining room. Is it? So next, let's study about the bedroom. It is the third room. The bedroom. So we sleep in the bedroom. What we do in the bedroom? First one, we sleep. Mankotivi. Houda? We sleep in the bedroom. Sleep andre mankotivi. And some houses have more than one bedroom. Yes, see, in some people's home they are having only one bedroom, but some other people also having more than one bedroom, like 2 bedrooms, 3 or 4 bedrooms. It depends on the house. If the house is very big, then they are having 3, 4, 5 bedrooms also. But if the house is little bit small, then it is having 1 or 2 bedrooms. Okay. So what we do in the bedroom is we sleep in the bedroom. Okay. So next one is about kitchen room. What is that fourth one? Kitchen. So do you have any idea what we do in kitchen? We cook our food in the kitchen. Is it? Yes, we cook or we prepare our meal. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕಿಚನ್ ಒಳಗೆ? ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? So what we do? We cook in the kitchen. What we cook? We cook food. Don't get confused. We cook food. In the kitchen. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಕುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. So next next one is fifth one, and this is the last room. Okay, that is called the bathroom. What is that? Bathroom. So what we do in the bathroom? We wash and bath in the bathroom. We wash and bath. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. So we bath in the bathroom. Bath ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸ್ನಾನ in the bathroom. So these are the remaining two rooms. First one is that, third one is that bedroom. What we do in the bedroom? We sleep in the bedroom, and different kinds of home are having different number of bedrooms. Where the big houses are having more than one bedrooms, and small houses are having only one bedroom. Okay. And next one is kitchen room. What we do in the kitchen? We cook our food in the kitchen room. And the last one is bathroom. What we do in the bathroom? We wash and bath in the bathroom. Okay. So these are the all rooms in our home. First one is dining room. Next, first one is drawing room. Next one is dining room, and third one is what is that? Bedroom. Fourth one is kitchen. Fifth one is bathroom. Okay. So you have to keep it in your mind that which kind of work we do in the particular rooms. Okay. So after this, open the page number 132. Okay, because they have asked 4 questions here. What they ask? Complete the name of the rooms given below. Some words are missing. Some words are missing here. You have to fill those missing letters and make up perfect room. They have given some rooms. Okay, so you will easily identify them. Okay, so let's see what are those. So the first one is B dash A dash I dash G R dash O dash. Okay. And the second one is B dash D R dash O dash. The third one is K dash T dash H dash N. And the fourth one is B dash D dash R dash O and dash. So you have to identify these rooms. Okay. First one is C. Try to identify which room it is. It is nothing but it is drawing room. It is drawing room. D-R-A-W. Is it? Yes. It is not C. It is I. Okay. D-R-A-W-I-N-G-R-O-O. It is called a drawing room. Okay. Now the next one is, what is that? It is bedroom. B-E-D-R-O-O-M. Bedroom. And the third one is kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. And the fourth one is bathroom. B-A-T-H-R-O-O-M. It is bathroom. First one is drawing room, second one is bedroom, third one is kitchen, fourth one is bathroom. See, practice these spellings in your home, okay, and by heart also. It will be easy for your examination. Okay, so here this chapter is finished. In next class we will discuss the question and answers of this lesson, which are there in the page number 133 and 134. Okay. So let me revise everything that we have learnt in this lesson. First one is, what is pakka houses? A house made of bricks, steel, cement and stones is called as pakka houses, and we can found the pakka houses in the towns and cities. So next one is, what is kacha houses? A house is made of leaves of the plants, mud and straw is called as kacha houses, and we can find the kacha houses in the villages. Okay. So what is house? The space where we live and feel safe is called a house. Is it? So it is enough for today. Tomorrow we will discuss the question and answers of this lesson. Thank you.